Asterisk Proficon 2024, the ultimate MSME mega event, bringing together 1600 plus business owners. Asterisk. Think about your favorite clothing store, your go to restaurant, or even the friendly local grocery store you shop at daily. Each one of these businesses is a success story of an entrepreneur who started with a simple idea and a vision to serve people like you. Apart from a pat on the back from their families and teams, who's celebrating these champions of daily life? Quantum Leap, India's largest business coaching company, saw this gap and decided to fill it. Enter Proficon, a 2-day, high-energy event designed to recognize and celebrate the powerhouse of MSMEs in India. Imagine a room filled with over 1600 business owners, all coming together to share stories, swap insights, and get inspired. This event is where India's economic heroes are celebrated for their contribution to the country and the job market. At Proficon, MSMEs are recognized for their growth and impact through the prestigious Business Success Awards. And then there's the Business Success magazine, which captures these incredible stories and business insights, putting MSMEs in the limelight they truly deserve. Business icons like Nitin Kamath, Dr. Velumni, and Brijesh Agrawal have graced the stage, sharing insights on emerging markets, breakthrough ideas, and strategies that help them build iconic brands. Proficon isn't just a chance to sit back and listen.
Attending this event. We currently have 1,700 business owners attending this program from 200 different cities across India. Some of them have come also from parts of Middle East. We have participants from Philippines. We have participants from Malaysia as well. But predominantly, we are a India business community itself, and it's just very inspiring to bring small and medium business owners together.
Total, how many participants you said this year?
1,700 right now.
Last year in 2020?
Last year, we had 1,200 participants.
You are giving award also for best.
So we do an awards evening on day one, but the way we have designed the awards is that this is an award where we do audit of the business owner and the company and check whether there is real growth or not. So anyone applying for the award has to submit